In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your settings and privacy on LinkedIn. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To start, you'll need to log in to LinkedIn. So, open your web browser, go to the LinkedIn website, and enter your login credentials. This is typically your email and password. Once you do that, you'll arrive on your LinkedIn homepage, where you can manage all your connections. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to locate your profile icon. Look for the icon that says Me in the top right corner of your screen. This is your personal profile portal, where you can access various settings related to your LinkedIn account. When you click on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you have access to a range of options that allow you to tweak your account according to your preferences. As you move forward, you'll notice several tabs on the left side of the Settings and Privacy screen. Let's go through each one briefly. First, there's the Account Preferences tab. Here, you can manage different site features and display options, which can enhance your browsing experience. Next, you'll find the Sign In and Security tab. This is crucial for maintaining your account's safety. You can update your password and manage who has access to your account. The third tab is Visibility. This section is particularly important if you're concerned about your online footprint. Here, you can control what others see when they look at your profile. For instance, you can choose whether recruiters can see your contact information or past job experiences, a handy option if you're job hunting. The Communications tab allows you to set your preferences for how you receive notifications and messages. You can choose to get alerts via email, mobile app, or even text message, depending on your preferences. Lastly, there's the Data Privacy tab. In this section, you manage how LinkedIn uses your personal data. You can opt in or out of certain data sharing options, giving you greater control over your information. To customize your options, simply click into each tab and explore the different settings available. If you wish to change your visibility options, for example, just go to the Visibility tab and select what you prefer. You'll find options that are easy to understand and simple to adjust. An important thing to remember is that LinkedIn automatically saves your changes as you make them, so there's no need to hunt for a Save button. It takes care of that for you. This feature ensures that your adjustments are quickly incorporated without any hassle. Once you're satisfied with all your adjustments and feel confident in your privacy settings, you can just navigate away or close the tab. You've successfully adjusted your LinkedIn settings and privacy. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips on social media management and professional networking.